phonetic alphabet. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. B is for bear. Bear. C is for crocodile. Crocodile. D is for duck. Duck. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fox. Fox. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hippo. Hippo. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jigsaw. Jigsaw. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for snowman. Snowman. T is for turtle. Turtle. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for rail. Whale. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Now you know your